The second seminar of the Joint European Confederation of Woodworking Industries (CEBOA), European Federation of Building and Woodworkers (EFBWW), European Wood-Based Panels Federation (EPF), European Funded Project Perspectives and Challenges of the Woodworking Industries in Europe took place on the 30th of November 2018 in Lisbon. It was preceded on the 29th of November 2018 by a training workshop and the official signature of the voluntary agreement between EPF and EFBWW on the European Action Guide on Formaldehyde.
É verdadeiro prazer e uma honra ter o privilégio de poder abrir, em nome da Confederação Europeia das Indústrias da Madeira, o segundo seminário de trabalho do projeto conjunto entre o CEBOA, a Indústria Europeia de Painéis e o Sindicato dos Trabalhadores Europeus da Madeira e da Construção, en el marco del proyecto Perspectives and Challenges of the Woodworking Industries in Europe.
The seminar was organized around the theme of the European woodworking sector attractiveness and provided a good insight on the strengths and challenges the sector's image is facing today, as well as some concrete examples of the best practices and solutions that have been tested and implemented in Croatia, Portugal, Sweden, United Kingdom and Belgium.
Olá, nós somos o futuro da indústria de madeira e mobiliário.
Hei, vi framtiden for skogbruk og møbler.
Ciao, noi siamo il futuro del legno e della falegnameria.
Tere, mina olen Kaia ja mina olen puidutööstuse tulevik.
Minä olen sahateollisuuden tulevaisuus.
There are lots of ideas of how to attract young people. I think there's going to be a lot of discussion around this today. Engage at schools, have open days, offer work experience, make sure that that's paid. Young people don't like feeling that they're being taken advantage of. And as we saw, like financial security is quite important. Use social media. I know some people are talking about this in more detail later, but generally just be creative and find people that know how to speak to these young people. If you don't have the understanding of what they're looking for, find people that do, because otherwise you're not going to get through to them.
A panel session took place in the afternoon, which allowed a productive exchange of views between the participants and some of the speakers.
But the future of this business is the companies that are actually behaving well, making money, listening to the customers, developing their offer to the market. And that is where I think we shall concentrate in this project. I don't say that you as trade union need only to focus on, let's say, the good examples, because you have a role to try to take away the bad examples. But if we shall do something out of this project, then we need to focus on what is good and try to say what we want. If we can say what we want, we can attract financing also, and we can attract, I think, political support in driving good examples. If we go and say that we are bad, no one will want to touch us, and we are not going to achieve anything.
The woodworking industry needs to make efforts to appeal to the next generations by using the appropriate tools. Within this context, social media play a crucial role in promoting the sector's strengths and attractiveness.
É setor muito diverso. Vai desde o corte, desde a floresta, corte, primeira transformação, à segunda transformação, às carpintarias, ao mobiliário, porque é setor muito amplo e cada indústria tem a sua especificidade, mas cada indústria tem lá um lugar para ter estes jovens com estas novas competências. É esta a imagem que eu vos quero deixar de uma indústria de futuro e uma indústria que nós queremos acarinhar. E, portanto, queria aqui, em primeiro lugar, agradecer à CEBOA por ter aceito este desafio também de fazermos o projeto em Portugal. Queria agradecer ao Patrício toda a colaboração que tem dado com a Aimmp na organização deste evento e queria também agradecer aos nossos sindicatos, ao Rolf, que tem estado muito connosco no diálogo social, e todos os colegas da EPF, que também fazem parte deste projeto, que também juntos somos mais fortes.